A typical homeowner can install reinforcement hardware to make a door kick-in proof in about 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on experience and the complexity of the door. Start by assessing the door type, frame material, and existing hardware so you know whether you have a solid core door, metal jamb, or older wooden frame that may need additional prep work. Gather the recommended tools up front, such as a power drill, appropriate wood or metal bits, a screwdriver, a chisel for minor jamb work, and a tape measure so you avoid interrupting the process to hunt for tools. Follow the kit instructions precisely for fastener lengths and locations, because reinforcement works only when long screws penetrate the door framing studs rather than stopping in thin trim or hollow jambs. When drilling pilot holes, keep the bits straight and use clamps or a second pair of hands to stabilize the jamb for clean, flush screw seating. If you encounter a metal jamb or concrete threshold, switch to the correct metal or masonry bit and take light passes to prevent bit overheating. Allow extra time for fitting strike plates and testing the latch repeatedly, then tighten progressively rather than fully torquing early so parts align without binding. 3 common mistakes are using screws that are too short, misaligning the strike plate, and underestimating fit work on older frames. Screws that only enter the jamb face do not reach the framing studs, so always use the long screws provided in reinforcement kits or upgrade to 3-inch screws so they reach solid framing. Strike plates installed without precise alignment cause the latch to bind and stress the door when closed, so mark and test the latch engagement before final tightening and file or chisel small amounts where needed for a smooth fit. Homeowners often ignore minor rot or loose jamb sections, which undermines any reinforcement. Address soft wood by removing decayed material, using epoxy consolidant, or sistering new wood pieces before installing the hardware. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a community of people sharing real-world project experience about door reinforcement and other security upgrades. We help contractors find work and offer a discussion community where we all exchange tips, timelines, and product feedback to plan projects more confidently.